Hi, Jack from Easy Tint. In this video, we're going to show you how to tint the roll down window using the bottom loading method. This method involves removing the door card, the plastic door panel, to release the rubber seal that your window rolls down into. If you're not comfortable using this method, please see the other tutorial videos where you see us using the two-stage method that doesn't involve removing this rubber seal. So once you've removed the trim and the rubber seal, we're going to prep this window, spraying with your slip solution and scrubbing with your scrub pad. Winding down that window, scrub your whole top edge. Next, you're grabbing your contour squeegee. Remove any excess water, debris from either side of the window down that rubber seal. After that, you're grabbing your handled squeegee, working from the front of the window, pushing all that excess water towards the back. Winding the window up. Once all that water is pushed to the back edge, we're getting our conqueror squeegee, get down that rubber seal, remove all that water. Paper towel or microfiber cloth, cleaning all around the window to eliminate any remaining dust or debris. We're next going to roll the window down until you can just about see the top edge of the window, making it easily accessible. Next, we're going to go around to the front of the window, spraying the outside, grabbing your paper towel or microfiber cloth, cleaning all surrounding areas, repeating the same process as the inside. We're next going to spray the window again, grabbing your pre-cut film, nicely placing it flat onto the outside of the window. Now you must be aware that when you're placing the film on the outside of the window, you're placing it with the clear backing liner facing you, so when we go to pull the liner off the tint, you're pulling it towards you. So with the bottom loading method, we're going to completely peel the backing liner off, soaking that glue side of the tint with your slip solution. We're then going to come back to the inside of the window, completely covering the window with your slip solution. Pushing down either edge of the seal, all across the top, down where that rubber seal was, ready for applying the tint. We're going to come to the front of the window to grab your tint. You're going to lay your tint in two hands, slide your tint down, front end first, your window should nicely slide down into place, again assuring no light gaps. Getting a nice tight edge across the top. Once you're happy with the positioning, we're going to spray over the tint again. Next, we're going to grab our handled squeegee, starting from the top edge, pushing all that excess water towards each end of the window. Once you've got your top edge down, we're then going to squeegee down, pushing all the water towards the bottom. For the edges of the window, we're going to grab our conqueror squeegee again, and we're just going to slide all of that water towards the top edge. Once you've pushed all the excess water out, we're going to grab the handled squeegee with your paper towel or microfiber cloth, just pushing that top edge, eliminating any excess water that may be sitting on the edge. We're then going to roll our window up. Repeat the same process. Spray your window, grabbing your handled squeegee, pushing the remaining water down to the bottom of the film. We're then going to grab our conqueror squeegee, down that rubber seal, left and right, pushing all that excess water. Once that's complete, we are giving the window one last wipe, all the surrounding areas, removing all excess water. And that is how you tint a roll-down window using the bottom loading method.